Good morning. Ready for another great day?
Absolutely. Let's make
Morning, team. Let's do this.
Dove is a global brand known for gentle, moisturizing body wash. Our products are dermatologist tested for the ultimate care. Trust Dove for your skin's health. Morning, team. Let's gear up. Ready. Hairnet first. Gloves on tight. Coats on. Safety first. All set? Let's go. This is assembly. We take pride in our precision here.
File looping next.
We ensure our perfect.
Every step is efficient.
Let's check the delivery note matches the batch labels.
Agreed. I'll verify the seal's now damage.
Good. Log it.
Scanning batch 45678 now.
Hold on. Does it have the cert?
Yep, ISO certified.
Great. Logging it.
Scanning the flour batch.
Okay. Is the cert verified? All good. Great. Sugar's logged too.
Random sample for purity testing. Checking this surfactant for contaminants. Weight is stable. No contaminants.
2 kilos of flour, exactly.
Confirm. Now for the sugar.
Half a kilo, please.
These certifications are current. And yes, one failed test. We need to review the safety data.
Safety data is fine. I vote to approve.
Agreed. Pouring to exactly 5 grams. Confirmed. Now for a gentle stir. Looks uniform. Ready for the next step.
Slide is prepped. Magnification looks good.
This batch has a good consistency. Check the
C is perfect, noting the ratio.
The scent is too faint. We need more fragrant.
Adjusting. The system confirms optimal moisture at 12.3%.
Great. The batch trace log is complete for review.
Running the quality analysis now.
Perfect. All metrics pass. We're good to proceed. pH is 5.8, well within our gentle range. Now for the skin patch test. Applying to the volunteer's skin. Any irritation? Excellent. This confirms the formula is safe.
Batch 001 data is in. Moisture and pH are stable.
Microbials are negative. Let's check the protein spec. Good. Lock the data for traceability.
Done.
Okay, 250 grams of the base solution, measured and ready. Confirmed. The scale reading is exact. Proceed with the pour. Pouring now. Flow rate looks good. No spillage. All right, pouring the first measured batch now. Copy that. Mine's ready too. Flowing smoothly. Target level achieved. Confirmed. Proceeding to the next batch.
Initiating the mix cycle now. Surfactants and moisturizers are incorporating well. Fragrances are in. The blend is uniform. Temperature is holding at 75. Let's bump it to 80. Agreed. And viscosity to 1250 for better mix. That's in spec.
Perfect. Log it and monitor the batch.
Initiating blend cycle now. Surfactants and moisturizers are dispersing evenly. Fragrances integrating, forming a uniform creamy texture. Temperature's at 75. Let's adjust for better consistency.
Okay. Speed to 1250.
Viscosity is responding. Log this data point.
Data logged. All parameters are stable. Let's pull a sample now. The mix looks stable.
Agreed. I'll check texture and scent. Viscosity is key. Let's get it to the station. Scent is balanced. Running pH now.
Flow rate steady at optimal levels. Copy that. Monitoring the blend viscosity now. Confirmed. Sample is within spec. Ready for next batch. All right, let's get this tank prepped for the emulsion. Connecting the water phase now. Good. Now the oil phase. This blending the agitator. Perfect. Monitor the phases.
Initiating high pressure cycle. Pressure is at 1500 bar. Flow is stable. Particle size is reducing. Texture is becoming silky. Starting the pumps. Pressure building to 15,000 psi. Valves are shearing the mixture, creating a silky uniform texture. Process complete.
Adjusting flow rate to optimal level. Confirmed. Monitoring stability now. All systems synchronized. Ready for next batch.
Starting the homogenizer. Pressure building to 2,500 psi. Mixture is passing through the valves. Uniform texture achieved. Monitoring flow rate. Pumps are ramping up to 2,500 psi, forcing the mix through the valves.
Sensors show particle size dropping. Texture is perfect, becoming silky is complete.
Flow is stable.
Starting with a visual check for homogeneity.
Looks good. Let's check the viscosity next. Viscosity is 1,500 centipoise. Good. Now for the centrifuge stability test.
Appearance is a pass. Recording all data.
Flow rate at 180. Let's target 92 on texture.
Agreed. Particle size is trending down.
Excellent. Lock it in. We're optimized. Pouring sample for viscosity test. Noted. Setting up stability in centrifuge.
This viscosity is 4500 CP, stable.
Recording now.
Under the microscope, it looks uniform. Let's get these samples ready. Cleanliness is key. Agreed. I'll prep the flask. Use pipette for exact volume. Now, measure the mass precisely. These are the sterility test samples for batch verification.
Incubators at 37 degrees. Placing them inside now.
We'll observe for any contamination after the incubation period.
Examining the culture for any contamination. The zones in this sample now are clear. Under the microscope, the morphology looks normal. This batch is clean.
Applying the sample to the artificial skin patch.
Under the microscope, we fix for cellular changes.
No irritation. Logging the results.
Now the volunteers patch. Any redness?
Team, the results are in.
Batch A456 is approved.
Agreed. No contaminants and purities excellent. Perfect. On to the next. Ensuring purity, safety, and perfection in every bottle. Lines running perfectly, no issues with the empty bottles. Keep monitoring for quality, precision is key.
The bottles move to the capping station, where secure, tamper-evident caps are automatically applied. This sealing process ensures product safety and freshness.
Barcodes are accurate, let's check the seals.
Seals are secure, testing carton integrity now.
All clear, ready for palletizing.
Excellent. Shipments are ready for worldwide distribution.
Barcode verified, seal is intact.
Carton integrity confirmed. All checks passed.
These pallets are ready for worldwide shipment.
Dove Body Wash nourishes skin with care. Trust in care.
Real women, real joy. The creamy lather of Dove Body Wash. Feel the confidence.
I love starting my health baths. Is so rare. I have body almost as made ready for the day. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes look, please like this video to show your support. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content that review appreciate the perfect blend of science and nature in skincare.